Solder the positive terminal. Prepare to press the line fold back. While the battery is not paying attention, a little bit of soldering iron, and you're soldered. Then use a cotton swab dipped in cleaner. Clean the solder oil on the pads. Temporarily put the cover on. Put the headset back into the battery compartment. The indicator light blinks and stays on. It proves that the battery compartment has detected the headset and is charging the headset. This right ear test is done. Proceed to put the other battery back into the left ear case. Solder the positive terminal. Negative terminal. Clean the solder oil. Then put the left ear into the battery compartment to test. The light also blinks for a while and then always on. Test are no more problems. Start the last step. First, clean the top of the dirt with a brush. Then apply a circle of glue to it. Stick the charging contacts back into the case. Press firmly. Then stick it with glue. Then the other one according to the same way to stick it. Wait for the glue to cure and then tear off the high temperature adhesive. Thus, the battery replacement is complete. People also want to see what David modified or repaired. Welcome to leave a message in the comment section to discuss.